Hello, my name is James, and I am a long-time Pop-On Veneers user. I stumbled across this product online like many of you have, and it has been a game changer. As you can see, my teeth kind of a little yellowish and worn, as it comes with time and age. When I got a little tooth missing up there on the upper left. And so every time I smile, I would try to hide that, smile with my mouth closed, kind of like this, and was always afraid to kind of let my teeth show. And then this came along. It's super simple to use. They send you a home impressions kit. Made it on, I think, the first or second try. You mail it off and it comes back like this in a nice case with lots of little goodies. They're durable. They fit perfect. They snap in. They don't pop out. It's just as simple as this. And now I can smile with confidence. Pictures look so much better. And I know that you'll love them as well. Give it a try.